Hi guys, welcome to Physics Clinic today. So today we are going to be starting a new series on examination tips. So whereby we are going to be giving some major things to look at when you are writing exams in physics. So today we are starting with dimensional analysis. So when you are faced with questions on dimensional analysis, there are certain things that you should note. These things are very fundamental. So let's start with the first one. So the first rule that you should never forget, number one, is never use lowercase letters for dimensional quantities. So when we talk about lowercase letters, we are talking about small letters. So example, like making use of small letter m for mass, small letter L for length, and small letter T for time. This is totally unacceptable. So by the time you are preparing for questions in dimensional analysis, make sure you don't try this mistake. So the right thing to do, rather use uppercase letters, capital letter M for mass, capital letter L for length, and capital letter T for what? Time. This is actually the correct one to do. So remember the first rule. Now let's go to the next rule, rule 2. For rule 2, never confuse units with dimension. So there is difference between the units of a physical quantity and the dimension of a physical quantity. Now look at it. When we talk about units, let's talk about the fundamental unit. Now for mass, the unit of mass is what? Kilogram. The unit of length is meter. The unit of time is second. So this is what? Units. Now dimension, on the other hand, unit of mass is m, that is capital letter M. Unit of length is capital letter L, and unit of time is capital letter T. So this is what? Dimension. So don't misplace this. So unit is unit, dimension is dimension. Both of them are what? Different. So we have the unit of mass and we have the dimension of mass. Now let's go to the last rule for dimensional analysis. Rule 3. Be conversant with mathematics topics like indices and change of subject or formula. So thank you very much for joining us in this examination tips. So see you in the next tip. Thank you. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe.